Hello, today we are solving Jan 2022 Unit 2 IAL paper question number 3 Part B. Evaluate the use of ordinary shares as a method of raising finance for Davsosian Hotels PLC. In the earlier part they had issued shares and we were asked to prepare different accounts, ledger accounts for the same purpose. Here they are saying what is the purpose of issuing ordinary shares to raise finance. Okay, when they are issuing ordinary shares, it's a simple method, right? It seems to be a straightforward method, or you can compare it with a bank where you have to go through sufficient paperwork, okay, to submit your sufficient documents. It is a straightforward method to ask the shareholders to purchase more shares, okay, rather than bank. You have to compare and say, why are you saying straightforward? It is rather than bank, okay, with where you have to submit documents, okay, where you submit documents, okay, you have to submit documents and other processes are there. It's a tedious process. Now no outside parties have any influence on the running of the Davsosian hotels. Example, a place on the board. So this is only for the issuing of the funds and they will not get a place in the board, okay, they don't become the directors. And also if you have no profits, okay, then I don't have to pay dividends, whereas interest has to be paid for any bank loan taken, right, and it could be higher. So this is going to help in cash flow and liquidity. So what is the cost of issuing? Okay, then the thing is I don't have to pay any dividends if there are no profits. Then issue of shares result in low gearing ratio, okay, in low gearing ratio, which is already used by investors, okay, when you issue your capital employed, because gearing ratio is the cost of capital divided by the capital employed. Your capital employed will be issue of shares result in lower gearing ratio because your capital employed goes up and so your gearing ratio will be lowered, and lower gearing ratio means less risk, okay, means less risk for investors and they would invest more, okay, that always means less risk. So it will mean that investors will be investing more into the Davsosian hotel, okay, right. So that means it is good, it will be looked as good by the investors. So less risk for investors and Davsosian hotels, so more investments might happen, so more okay happen. Then however, what is against this ordinary shares? Okay, ordinary shares, when you are issuing there will be administration costs. Here you are doing several calls, you are issuing applications, some of it is rejected, then you are doing the first call, second call. So there is bank administration costs involved when you are doing such an issue, okay, whereas bank loan is very less administration costs. You apply, you submit your documents and you apply for a bank loan, that's it. So and also a share issue might not be fully subscribed. In this case it was oversubscribed, but not, sometimes it might not get fully subscribed and they might not get even the full funding they had expected, whereas and the bank may see the company as a risk and charge a high interest rate, okay. So Davsosian will have to then go to the bank and it will become a risk, okay. So and they could charge this thing. So only in the case it was not fully subscribed, then it is a problem, otherwise it will not have. Also one of the other problems could be it is going to result in more number of shares in the share market, okay. So the share price might drop when you are issuing that, then or it might rise. So you can write it as an against point. In conclusion, ordinary shares are a good source of finance. So for Davsosian hotel, this method of raising the